Wait, before we start, listen carefully. Have you ever woken up in the morning and felt scared to speak English?
Scared because you know today you might need English.
At work, at school, in a shop, on the phone.
And you think, what if I don't understand? What if I can't answer? What if people laugh?
So you stay quiet.
You know English words, but your mouth doesn't open.
Your heart beats fast.
Your mind feels empty.
And you start your day with fear.
This happens to many beginners.
You are not alone.
And today we want to change that feeling.
Not with hard grammar,
Not with long rules.
but with easy English.
English you can use every day.
Your daily routine.
Simple life.
Simple words.
Real confidence.
Welcome back to Speak English Daily. I'm Anna,
And I'm David.
and today we will practice English together.
Slow English.
Clear English.
English for A1 beginners.
Before we continue, remember one thing.
You don't need perfect English.
You only need brave English.
All right, let's start your day.
It is morning.
The alarm rings.
You open your eyes.
You feel tired.
You look at the time.
It is 6:30.
You wake up.
You sit on your bed.
You think about your day.
Work, study, people.
You feel nervous.
But you get up.
You go to the bathroom.
You wash your face.
The water is cold.
You feel awake.
You brush your teeth.
You look in the mirror.
You see yourself.
And you say quietly, I can do this.
You take a shower.
The water is warm.
You relax.
Your body feels better.
After the shower, you get dressed.
You put on clean clothes.
You check your phone.
Messages, time.
Now it's breakfast time.
You go to the kitchen.
You make tea.
Or coffee.
You make simple food.
Bread, eggs, fruit.
You sit down.
You eat slowly.
You think about English.
Today, you want to understand.
Today, you want to speak.
Even a little.
After breakfast, you get ready to leave.
You take your bag.
You check your keys.
You lock the door.
You go outside.
The air feels fresh.
You walk to the bus stop.
Or the train station.
You see other people.
They look busy.
Some people talk in English.
You listen.
You don't understand everything.
That's okay.
You hear simple words.
Good morning. How are you?
You repeat in your head.
Good morning.
How are you?
The bus arrives.
You get on the bus.
You say hello.
The driver nods.
Small moment.
Small success.
You sit down.
You look outside.
The city moves.
Cars, people, noise.
Your heart is calmer now.
You arrive at work.
Or school.
You enter the building.
Someone sees you.
They say hi.
You answer hi.
Simple.
But powerful.
You sit at your desk.
You turn on your computer.
You start your work.
Emails, tasks.
Someone asks you a question.
Your heart jumps.
You feel scared.
But they ask something simple. Are you okay?
You answer, yes, I'm okay.
Your voice is quiet.
But you spoke.
That matters.
Time passes.
You work.
You focus.
You make mistakes.
That's normal.
No one is angry.
No one laughs.
Now it is lunchtime.
You feel hungry.
You go to eat.
You sit with others.
People talk fast.
English.
You feel lost again.
But then you hear something.
How's your day?
You know this.
You answer, good.
Then you add, busy.
2 words.
Enough.
They smile.
Conversation continues.
After lunch, you go back to work.
The day feels easier now.
Your fear is smaller.
Your confidence is bigger. In the afternoon, you feel tired.
That's normal.
You drink water.
You stretch.
You keep going.
Work ends.
You pack your things.
You say bye.
Someone says, see you.
You smile.
You go home.
The sun is lower.
The day is almost over.
On the way home, you think.
You spoke English today,
Not a lot.
but enough.
You feel proud.
At home, you relax.
You change clothes.
You sit down.
You eat dinner.
Simple food.
Simple life.
You watch something in English.
Maybe a short video.
You don't understand all.
But you listen.
You hear the sounds.
You learn slowly.
Before bed, you think about your day
You remember your fear in the morning.
and your strength at night.
You did not give up.
You spoke.
You tried.
That is how English grows.
Not in one day.
But every day.
little by little.
Now you go to bed.
You close your eyes.
Tomorrow is a new day.
A new chance.
Remember this.
Fear is normal,
Silence is easy.
but speaking is brave.
Even one word.
Even one sentence.
If you practice every day,
Your English will change.
and your life will change too.
Practice with us every day.
This is Speak English Daily.
You are doing great.
See you tomorrow.
Good night.